What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Camelia, your favorite female day trader. Do I want to use that line in my videos? Anyway, so I'm here finally with another video, you guys. I know you guys have been waiting for me to post more videos, so sorry for the delay. Things have been all over the place, but I'm not here to make excuses. What's going on? I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna hop right into the charts, so that way I can just show you guys real quick. I'm also on the way to the gym, so I might take you guys with me to the gym. Should I take y'all with me to the gym? We'll see. We'll see how this video goes. Let's get into the charts. Let me not start talking too much, and let's just get right into the video. So I'm on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. First and foremost, let's delete all these drawings. Where is it? Support and resistance is super simple. You have your support, which is at the floor, and you have your resistance, right, which is at a ceiling. This is the simplest terms I can put it, and I want to make this so that way a kid can actually understand this, right? I'm not going to come at you all with all these elaborate terms and all these, technical terms and stuff, because a lot of people, that you can learn on your own at some point in some time. But I'm going to keep it simple so that way you can just apply it to the charts. So you have your support and you have your resistance, right? That's going to be your floor. That's going to be your ceiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw it out on the chart. So you have your support, which is your floor, right? And then you have what you call resistance, which is your ceiling. Now, support and resistance is temporarily an area in the market where the market will not go through the bottom, or where the market may not push through the top. So you have your support and resistance, and then the inside of it, price action looks something like this, where it may ping pong in the in between the range here. It may come out sometimes, may come back in, may break and retest. It may do many different things, but price trades temporarily, sometimes in a range, and eventually breaks out either above or below. Okay. Now that you guys have seen this drawn out on the chart, now I'm going to find it in the actual candlesticks, and that way you guys can see how easy it can actually be to just take support and resistance setups if you know what you're looking for, and if you're not being too greedy trying to hold the trades. Now, I will say this. We are on a 5-minute time frame. I am a scalper. These are scalp setups. This is not something that you're going to use to swing and hold for days in and days out. You will find out very quickly that your account will be gone. Okay, so we're only in these trades for just small periods of time. We're getting in, we're getting out. We're not getting too greedy. We only need a couple $100, maybe $1,000 every now and then, a couple thousand razzle dazzle in there, right? But we're not here to be greedy. We want to be content and take what the market gives us and move on. Okay. All right, so I have my bar replay on, and I'm going to show you all an example of how to use support and resistance. So the whole idea is, when you're trading support and resistance, this is a strategy in and of itself, right? You have your resistance, you have your support. Y'all know this. The whole idea is, when price gets to your resistance, you sell. When price is at your support, you're looking to buy, right? You're going to keep doing that until price actually breaks out. Ideally, you want to pull this tool out of your toolbox when price is in a ranging market. It doesn't matter the time frame. I'm personally just using the 5-minute. You can apply this to any time frame you desire, but the whole idea is you want to buy from the floor and sell from the ceiling. So let's mark up our support and resistance on the chart. So I'm coming to the market, and this is how the market looks. I can see clearly a resistance here. And why do I know it's resistance? Because price has failed to break above this area. Okay, so the first thing I do when I approach the market, the first thing I'm looking for are my support and resistance areas. That's my first thought process, is where are my support and resistance areas? Are we in a range? My first thought is, are we in a range in price? Are we ranging in price? Battery has 10%. I have to hurry up. So ranging in price. So I have my resistance, and I guess you can kind of say this is a support. It's not as clear, but for now I'm going to mark it up. Right? So let's go ahead and play this. And this is a very small, tight range. This is not nothing I would want to trade. Yeah, we're immediately breaking out of that. So that's not my range here. So we're going to just let the market do what it do. And if you notice, we've come back to this area. So it makes me wonder, are we gonna use this as my support? And yes, that just showed me that we're using it as support. So there's a potential range here. We have a touch at the top, we have a touch at the bottom. Okay, so price is just trading, doing its thing. And so let's say you find yourself approaching the market and you say, oh wow, you see how we're coming back into the range? Wow, we wicked out of here and we came back into the range. So let's say you find yourself and you approach the market and it looks like this. Your first thought is, okay, are we going to continue inside the range? Like, are we going to come back and touch the top of this range? Because we touched the top here, we fell, tried it, failed, and came back down. We even grabbed liquidity and came back into the range. Can we continue up? So how I would trade this range is I would wait for a break of the candle entry. Like if this candle closes bullish, right, and then breaks the high here, I would look for buys. Stop loss below this candle, right? And TP, I like to go for a 1-to-1, and luckily that's right there at the top of the range. So let's see if price is going to actually respect that and respect this support and resistance area, since we've done it before in the past here. And again, I'm not looking for home runs. I'm only looking for base hits, which is why my target is just going to be right here. I'm not looking for a breakout and it to run all the way up. It could possibly, but I'm managing risk. I'm keeping the play small and I'm keeping it consistent. Okay, I'm taking the same trades over and over. So let's see if this one will play out, if we get that break. So we haven't broken it yet. So boom, we got that break in the trade here, right? We're in the trade. Let's see if it can reach the target. Almost. Oh, that's perfect. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It didn't fully reach the target. We're ping-ponging. Realistically, me personally, I probably would have been out, but whatever. We're playing around here. Also, this could have been another entry opportunity. We just barely missed our target. That was a good play there, but we just barely missed our target and came back down. So let's say you didn't catch this play here. This would have been another one to try to get an entry on. So let's see if it actually fully hits, because we're clearly ping-ponging in between this range here. Yeah, that's nice. See it? We're touching the range. We're ping-ponging right inside the range. All right, there it is. Boom, we finally did it. All right, so there is the full play, the breakout. That was actually pretty nice. It lasted a lot longer than I would have liked to have been in the trade, because I'm not going to lie, price kissed our target twice almost and didn't break it and came back down. The second time I probably would have ended up getting out. I'm not even going to lie to you. But this just shows you that the whole entire play actually fully played out. As you see, price just simply respected this range here, and that was actually really good. So you could have taken multiple positions here. Like you could have simply, every time price touched the bottom of this range, buy. Every time we're touching the top of this range, sell. Every time we touch the bottom of this range, buy. Every time we touch the top of the range, sell. Top of the range, sell. Until eventually break out. Bottom of the range, buy, right? Until we eventually break out. So that is your range, support, and resistance trading in a nutshell. Hopefully I made it super simple for you guys to understand it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too extravagant, just simple candlestick patterns. And yeah, and once it breaks out, it's just over. You wait for price to create another range for you to trade in, and that's about it. So I will see you guys in the next video. All right, so now I'm back on the full screen. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick segment. I'm about to head to the gym. That was just support and resistance in a nutshell, and the simplest way I could put it. You don't want to overthink it. You don't want to get too technical about it. It's just simply you see it happening, you take the setup based on confidence, and that's just really about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see on the channel. I look forward to growing with you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.